Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. To begin, remember that not all vendors are created equal. Each merchant specializes in certain goods, and they will pay more for items within their expertise. Always check a vendor's available groschen before trying to sell a large haul. Your reputation with them also plays a crucial role in getting the best possible price for your wares. When selling, seek out specialized vendors. For instance, an armorer or blacksmith will offer significantly more for your swords, shields, and plate armor than a general merchant. Similarly, tailors and cobblers are your best bet for selling clothing and shoes. General merchants can buy almost anything, but expect to receive only about 1/3 to 1/2 of an item's true value from them. Building a good reputation with a vendor is key to maximizing your profits. The higher your standing, the better prices you will command. Don't forget to haggle. A successful negotiation can boost your selling price by up to 20%. However, be cautious with stolen goods. These must be sold to a fence to avoid attracting the attention of the town guard. For advanced selling, always repair your damaged items before offering them for sale. A fully repaired item fetches a much higher price. If a vendor has limited groschen, consider selling your goods in smaller batches over time. Never sell highly valuable items to a vendor with low funds or a poor reputation, as you will lose out on significant profit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.